Hey guys, so today I filmed this natural, glowy, kind of everyday spring makeup tutorial, and this is in partnership with Ipsy and their March glam bag. So if you want to see the products that were used in this month's glam bag, keep on watching, and if you want to see how to get this natural, beauty enhancing look, then keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and leave any comments you have down below. Guys, I'm so sorry I've been gone for so long. I promise I'm gonna have way more videos coming up. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, let's just get right into it. So I already washed my face with the BRTC Jasmine Waterful Foaming Cleanser, and it's just like a really nice daily foaming cleanser that removes your makeup and doesn't really over dry my skin. So I use this, and this is from the Ipsy Glam Bag. So to prep my skin, I'm going to be using the Glossier Priming Moisturizer, and this is a really nice light moisturizer. You can layer it up for more hydration, but I'm just going to use a little bit like that and put it on my cheeks to prep my skin. And you can use primer after this, but I'm just going to use this as my moisturizer and my primer mixed together. You can get 20% off your first purchase if you shop on my code. It's usually linked down below, so yeah, you can get 20% off. And usually the other codes are only like 10, so hit that up. So next I'm going to be evening out my skin tone, and lately my skin has literally just been a mess. It's a new part of me. I used to have really good skin, but you know what, it's okay, this stuff happens. So I'm going to be using the Maybelline Dream Cushion foundation, and I'm actually trying this for the first time, and I don't know, I just wanted to try out a cushion foundation, so I'm just going to be dipping my beauty blender right into the cushion and then blending it on my face. And I think that this is a really nice smoothing foundation. As you can see, it just like kind of smooths out my skin. I don't think it's like super full coverage, so if you want full coverage, this isn't really a full coverage foundation, but like I knew that, and I honestly would just get foundation if my skin wasn't bad. I'm just doing it to even out my skin more, because yeah, it's just like has more redness and scars and stuff. So make sure to always blend down your neck, even if it's like you think it's perfectly your shade. This is like pretty much my match. It's a little too light for me, but it's a pretty good match. So except my forehead is always like significantly darker than my entire face, so but yeah, so I'm just gonna blend that up into my forehead. Okay, whoa, why do I look so white? Whatever, it's okay, maybe it's like the forehead. But once I add bronzer, it'll warm up my face. So now I'm gonna use, since it's like I want my skin to be more bright, I usually use the Shape Tape concealer, but today I'm gonna use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser for dark circles. So I really like this concealer, and it's in the shade Neutralizer, so it's like kind of like a yellow brightening thing, and I use this when I'm extra tired, which I am now because I'm a college student, like we're just always tired. I'm kidding, but yeah, no, but seriously. So I'm just gonna put this in the center of my face. I'm not gonna really like put this on my blemishes because it's too light for my skin. So I just like put it around where I want to highlight my face more. The center, and like I'll put it over here because, you know, whatever. It looks scary. Okay, so just again, I'm gonna blend it out really quick. This is looking around my mouth like a little, like way too white. So white. Guys, I look so pale. I haven't used that concealer in a while, and I thought it would be less whitening and more brightening, if you know what I mean, but we can fix it. We can fix it. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay. So next I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder, and I'm just gonna set my face just lightly under my eyes so it doesn't crease. If you use a lot of powder, obviously it's gonna be less glowy. So I'm gonna use these two things. This is the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer, and I'm just gonna warm up my face way, like, a lot, because clearly I'm having an issue. But yeah. Keep my under eyes kind of light, again, just to make me look less tired. So that's a little better with the bronzer. It's less scary. But yeah, I'm just gonna smile and apply the blush to my cheeks. I just like put it on the tip of my nose too, kind of like a flush of the cheeks, and just all over the face. Warm up your face, the middle. If you have a lot of redness on your face, don't use a lot of blush just because you probably already have a natural flush to your cheeks. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows really quickly. I'm just gonna like brush through them and then fill them in a tiny bit, but not like full on fill them in just because they're a little bit sparse right now. So I literally just barely fill them in because I'm too lazy to carve them out with concealer, you know? And since we're going for the more natural look, I'm just gonna blend out my eyebrows a little bit. Like honestly, I just do this. It's just easier. And now I'm just gonna take my Boy Brow, which is an eyebrow gel slash like fill-in tinted. It's like a tinted brow gel, but brow pomade. I don't know how to explain it, but it's so good. I've literally talked about this in so many videos. I use it in every video. Yeah, I'm just gonna apply it as my brow gel. And since we're going for kind of a, I've said this 10 times, but like a more natural look, I'm gonna kind of make them bushier in a way. An important part of this is obviously highlight, and I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier highlight in Indiscretion. But look at that pattern. I know you guys have probably seen this before, and there's also a gold one, but I don't know, I just feel like this makes it look like a more natural glow. So I'm just gonna use my Anastasia A23 brush, just pack it on there, and then tap it off, because this is kind of like you need to get a lot on your brush. And then I'm just gonna go on my cheeks, and it's a really nice glowy natural highlight. Make sure to blend your highlight. I feel like a lot of people just like go like, you know, so blend it in your cheeks so it looks like it's an all over glow. And always on the tip of the nose, just a little bit. People who like put it so much, I don't know, it just looks kind of too much for me, but I like the glowiness that it brings to the face. And then also a little bit on your chin, and then at the top of your eyebrows, because we're trying to get that all over glowy look. Now we're gonna move on to eyes. So I'm gonna use my infamous Jaclyn Hill palette because this is like the only thing I use. But you can use any kind of taupey, natural brown color, and I'm gonna use this one and this one mixed together, and I'm just gonna put that all over my lid since the foundation kind of washes your natural shadows out. And I really just like this kind of natural wash. So just make sure to blend it really well, blend it up to your, not all the way up to your brow, but kind of fade it out. So it just looks like that. So I'm just gonna use those same two colors on my lower lash line and do the same thing just to kind of accentuate your eyes shape and just to add more shadows since we erased it with the concealer. If you like to not wear eyeliner and you don't need it, then you can skip this step, but I personally think that adding just a little bit of dark eyeshadow or eyeliner on the upper lash line really accentuates my eye shape way more, and also helps my eyelashes look kind of thicker, because if you add a little darkness on the lash line, your eyelashes will look like they're thicker. I'm gonna take this pencil brush again and just really quick kind of blur it out to make it not look super harsh. I'm gonna add a little bit of the gold from the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm just gonna put it right on my, oh that was a lot because it's really pigmented. Really just gonna swipe it because it's really pigmented and I didn't expect it to be that pigmented, but so pigmented. Am I right, Manny? Manny MUA, anyone? I'm just gonna put that right in the center of the lids and then just kind of blend it out. You can use a more champagne-y color if that's more your skin, if that looks better on your skin tone. So I'm not even gonna put anything on my lower lash line because I want this to be really, really natural. And you can not add shimmer, like you can totally just not add shimmer. But a trick that I really, really like for when I'm kind of doing a more natural makeup look is using a stick eyeliner to tightline my eyes. And this is the Tarte Cosmetics Sex Kitten eyeliner. And this is really, really opaque and it has like a 12-hour wear. I'm just gonna go up in my upper lash line and go right on my eyelashes like this and line my upper lash line. Again, this adds to the thickness of your eyelashes, but without making it look like too much. So I don't know if you can really tell the difference, but I think I can on camera. just gonna curl my eyelashes. This is such a cheap eyelash curler. I should probably get a new one. I'm so every time I use it, I'm scared I'm gonna rip out my eyelashes because it's the e.l.f. one. But so far, we're okay. I'm just gonna be using the Falsies mascara by Maybelline as always. This is honestly one of my favorite mascaras ever. I don't know, I love the volume it gives my lashes and the length, especially if I'm not wearing a lot of eyeliner, you can really tell. So I'm just gonna apply this on my upper lashes only. So to finish off the eyes, I'm just gonna add a little bit more of the highlight on the inner corner, like this. So for lips, I'm gonna be using the Finding Ferdinand mini lipstick in Au Natural. And this is just a really nice kind of pinky taupe mauve-y color. You don't have to use lipstick, but I'm going to because I really like this color. I'm gonna apply this in the center of my lips. So this is the mini lipstick and it has really nice color and it's like really lightweight and moisturizing. This is a cream finish, it's not matte. I kind of wanted to use a lip gloss just to like add a little bit more, and I personally am a big fan of lip gloss. So I'm going to be using the Aurora Ultimate Shine Lip Gloss, and this is in the color Fairy. It's kind of like a peachy nude, and this is also from the Ipsy Glam Bag. So I'm just going to add this right over top. I'm putting it only in the center because that's how I apply lip gloss anyway, because I feel like when you apply it like all the way around, it kind of gets stuck at the corners. So to finish off the makeup, I'm just gonna spray my face with the makeup finishing spray, and you can also use like rose water or something. It doesn't have to be a makeup setting spray because I find that sometimes makeup setting sprays might like be a little, you want to be glowy, so maybe like find a rose water or something. I couldn't find my rose water, but I would use that instead of this personally for like a glowy natural look, just because I like how the finish it gives my skin. But I'm just gonna be using this just as a spray. And you don't have to use as much highlight as I do. I just personally like to do that because I find that it just makes my skin look really nice and glowy. So finally, from the Ipsy Glam Bag, for my hair, since it's kind of a mess, I'm going to be using the Twyla True Beauty Renewal Oil. This is a fast absorbing and multi-purpose oil for your face, your hair, and your body, and I'm going to use it in my hair today. There is some great vitamins like vitamin A, C, and E in here, and the antioxidants will help nourish your hair and your skin. So I'm just going to add a little bit of that, especially on the ends, just because my curly hair is always dry at the ends. This is just really taking away some of the frizz too, kind of just nourishing it, you know, maybe a little bit on my baby hairs, some on this bun. So that was the natural, glowy, everyday enhancing your natural beauty makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up as always. Leave any comments you have down below. I'm so sorry I've been gone for so long. I'm gonna have another video explaining kind of why and having a more like chit chat get ready with me, so stay tuned for that. Make sure to check out the Ipsy Glam Bag, and thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much. Bye.